Hello everyone, myself Nandini and you're watching News Cafe. India's foreign ministry called the remarks obviously uninformed, inappropriate and in poor taste. President Donald Trump reposted a video and comments from a conservative pundit calling India a hellhole, prompting the South Asian country on Thursday to criticize the remarks on inappropriate. The comments come ahead of a planned visit next month to India by US Secretary of State Marco Rubio, who would seek to turn the page on recent tensions between the normally friendly powers. Trump late on Wednesday reposted on social media a video and a script apparently written by someone else denouncing the US constitutional right to citizenship of everyone born in the country. The post accused Indian immigrants in tech industry of not hiring white native-born Americans and inequality alleged that Indian immigrants lack English proficiency. A baby here becomes an instant citizen and then they bring the entire family in from China or India or some other hellhole on the planet, the post said. Indian Foreign Ministry spokesman Ranjit Jaiswal responded that the remarks were obviously uninformed, inappropriate and in the poor taste. They certainly do not reflect the reality of the India-US relationship, which has long been based on the mutual respect and shared interest. Congressman Ami Bera, a Democrat who is the child of the India immigrants, called the post shared by Trump offensive, ignorant and beneath the dignity of the office he holds. Congress Ami Bera said, President Trump, who has born into wealth and privilege, has never had to struggle the way so many immigrant families have. The Hindu American Foundation and advocacy group said it was disturbed by the hateful racist creed. Endorsing such rants as the President of the United States will further stoke hatred and the integrity of our communities at a time when xenophobia and racism are already at an all-time high. Trump, who has made a sweeping crackdown on the immigration a signature policy, has taken aim at visas commonly used to Indian ex-workers. He also for months maintained major tariffs on India after he was angry that Prime Minister Narendra Modi downplayed his meditation during a conflict between India and Pakistan, which has avidly quoted Trump. Trump's pairing with India stands in contrast to decades of efforts by successive US presidents to avoid friction and build relations with the world's largest democracy, which US policymakers have seen as a counterweight to rival China. Whoever has watched this video, do like, do comment, do share and subscribe to my channel.